healthy eating tips for kids. Don't give up. Most babies and young children need to try something new 7 to 10 times before they like it. So don't be afraid to introduce children to new or more exotic tastes. A good tactic to get kids to eat a wide variety of foods is to tell them that tasting new things is a sign they're growing up. Or, take them shopping and let them choose a new, healthy food to serve at home with something they already like. Learn when to stop. Although children are born with the ability to stop eating when they are full, it can often be hard for parents to judge whether their kids have eaten the right foods, and enough of them. Teaching children to listen to their tummies and to ask themselves questions about quantity and quality, such as "Is my tummy full?" will give them the opportunity to develop their ability to sense fullness. Be creative. All the vibrant colors in fruits and vegetables come from natural plant chemicals that have healthy effects on our bodies. Different colors have different effects, so it's good to eat a variety of different colors each day. Offer your kids a colorful snack of different fruits and berries, or chop vegetables into interesting shapes to make them seem more fun and exciting. Slow it down. Eating slowly is great for weight control at any age. It's a fantastic way to show kids that it takes about 20 minutes for the message that they are full to get from their stomachs to their brains. As much as we'd love our children to finish their meal in minutes, rather than hours, it's much more important that they learn to slow down and chew their food properly. Have fun in the kitchen. Eat together. Grow your own. Drink water.